Hello children, good morning. In the last class, we learned about anthropology, archaeology and about Homo sapiens. What is anthropology? Anthropology is the study of human and evolutionary history. Anthropology is a study of humans and evolutionary history. What does archaeology mean? Archaeology is a study of prehistoric human remain materials used by prehistoric human. Archaeology is a study of prehistoric human remain materials used by prehistoric human. What do you mean by human evolution? Human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life. Human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life. Today, we are going to learn about lifestyle of early man. Early man engaged in hunting and gathering. They led a nomadic life. What do you mean by nomadic? Have you heard the word nomadic? Nomadic means roaming from place to place. Nomadic means roaming from place to place. The early man not lived in a settled place. They lived in groups, in a cave or a mountain range. Each group consists of 30 to 40 people. For each group, 30 to 40 people were there. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunted pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant, bear for a food. They scavenged the animals killed by other wild animals. So he learned the art of fishing also. Early man collected honey from beehive, plucked the fruits from the trees. If the food resources got exhausted in one area, they moved to another place in search of food. They also collected grains from the forest. They collected the grain from the forest. They wore dresses made out of skin of animals, leaves and a bark of trees. to protect their bodies during the winter season. So, humans began hunting to satisfy the need for food. Hunting was a main occupation of the human in the past. Their main occupation is hunting. It was difficult for a human to kill the big animal with a stick or a stone. With a stick or a stone, it is very difficult for the human to kill the big animal. So they decided to use sharpened weapons. The best stone for making weapons was Chikimuki Kal. That is a flint stone. It is known for a strength and durability. So humans spend many hours in search of flint stone. They made sharp weapons and tools with the help of stones. The early man created tools like axes with big stone. The axes were made to cut the trees, remove the barks, dig the pits, hunt animals, and remove the skin of animals. Early humans discovered the use of fire. Humans were afraid of fire and lightning. He afraid of fire and lightning. Who afraid? The early man. Probably fire caused by lightning had killed many wild animals. Humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. This made humans aware of effect of fire. They used flint stone to make fire and used it to protect them from the predator, for cooking food and for creating light during the night time. Fire became important for the man in olden times. The ancient method of hunting was they go as a group and hunt the prey. This is one of the method he used on those days. The second method is dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. This is the second method. The first method is go as a group and hunt the prey. The second method he used to follow is dig a pit, trap the animals and hunt the prey. So, up to this what we learn is, we learned about occupation of the early man, and then the hunting methods they used, and the lifestyle of a early human. So, children, I'll ask some question related to this. Are you able to answer the question or not? Let us see. What did the early human wear? What did the early human wear? The early human wore dresses made of skin of animals, leaves and bark of trees. Second question is, where did the early human live? Where did the early human live? Very good. The early human live in a caves or a mountain range. Why were axes made? Why were axes made? What is the uses of axes? The axes were made to cut the trees, remove the barks, dig the pits, hunt the animals and remove the skin of animals. Okay, next question. Which was the main occupation of a early human? Which was the main occupation of a early human? Hunting. Very good. Hunting was a main occupation of the early human. Where did the early human live? Where did the early human live? The early human live in caves. So why did a human move from place to place? Why did the early man move from place to place? The early human moved from one place to another in search of food. Which is the best stone for making weapons? Which is the best stone for making weapons? Chikki Mukki Kal. That is a flint stone. So thank you students.